The brand was established in 2011 but officially began in 2013. We hired people from the townships and taught them from scratch. They were mostly people of color. And we were just trying to appease our frustrations in the leather goods industry. Or through consistency of our brand, we were constantly able to innovate, and it also helped us with experience and be able to create a beautiful product which a lot of our customers enjoy still up to this day. In this time, we were able to travel and allow the rest of the world to experience the brand outside of South Africa, and the opportunity to see other parts of the world ourselves, which opens up our minds to what luxury brands are doing, and again, pushing the boundaries just a little bit. Being involved in the luxury retail industry for years from a young age, I felt I needed to do something more unique in fashion, which has always been sort of part of my being. The COVID-19 pandemic, honestly, was a tough punch for not only business but also personal. But from a more positive note, it really just allowed us to transition and transform from the luxury leather goods industry to ready to wear, and thereby opening up ourselves almost completely to a different way of doing things. Not only do we work with communities in the Cape Flats of people who are highly skilled and garment analysts and a tight team, which makes it quite dream work, we're also looking at more sustainable ways of maintaining the brand and moving it into more unique and juxtaposing, contrasting fabrics, which are unexpected patterns and forms. Our flagship store in the watershed, V&A Waterfront, which we are really grateful to have had for almost 9 years now, has been a constant. We've been able to showcase most of our new drops, collections there, our leather goods there, our wallets, our fashion, our ready to wear, sometimes home goods that are research unit. It's just been absolutely amazing. We've been able to meet new people, different people from all over the world as well as locally. I think this is what gets us up in the morning. It enables us to live a more fulfilled life. It's what I love to do every single day.